So here I'm trying to extract the screws with a screw extractor, but to no avail. I was struggling with it. It was just basically rounding the heads off. So I ended up using the drill bit, drill the heads off. It's made it a lot easier. Yeah, I'm going to take off the loose paint and rust best I can. It doesn't have to be perfect, I'm not after perfection, but get all the loose off and style it a bit. Going to give it a clean down with some white spirit. Gets all the loose debris off and that, ready for painting. Giving it a coat of primer first before we hit it with the black gloss.
Few hours later.
Yeah, it's looking good. It's not perfect, but it's good enough for what we wanted to do. I think it's now time to take off the masking tape that I put over the top of the little rulers that's along the side. This is the more satisfying part, taking the masking tape off. Now it's time to fit the motor. It wasn't an easy task either, being on my own, but I managed. Gonna pour down. See what we... It was going to start raining, so I thought best to bring it indoors. Well, I think we should give it a go. Really see what happens. And on. Why's that? Still didn't want to start on its own. Still had to have a bit precision. Let's get the blade on that and let's see what happens. Give it a go. Okay, moment of truth. We have now a new blade. Nice new fresh blade on. Everything's back together on it. And it's now well, let's cut a little bit of wood. Safety first. Ear protectors and goggles. Okay, so it still won't start on its own. We placed the capacitor, but I'm just thinking it's not powerful enough. It's not holding enough charge, giving it enough kick from the motor. So I'll have another look at getting it possibly a bit more powerful capacitor and see if that makes a difference. But for now, we'll just kickstart it ourselves. it'll cut it nicely. That's okay. It's good enough for my needs, and it works. Granted, we have to give it a bit of a kickstart to use it, but I think we'll look into that at a later date. But as you can see, if I try and start it again, it just doesn't want to fire up on its own. Just jamming. But then if we just give it just a little bit kick, it's away. Sorry, I've turned it off. That needs fastened down. Yeah, I need to get new screws for it. Screws are all, well, all broken really. So, yes, I'd say that was definitely a win. Well, kind of. See you on the next one.